guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to make a really pretty farmhouse sign. Okay, so if you don't have a Cricut, I hate to see you go, but I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a really cute DIY. Okay, so I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer. I'm going to go to circle with the plus for new project. And for this one, I am just going to go to images on the left-hand side of the screen. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go search all images, and I'm just going to type in farmhouse, okay, and hit enter. And they have a lot of different ones, and this is the one I want. Life is better at the farmhouse. You could do welcome to our farmhouse, any of these. But I thought this would be really cute. So I'm going to click on it. Now you do need to be an Access member because it has a little A up here to get this for free. And I'm just going to go to the right bottom corner, Insert Images, and that will put it on our canvas. Now if you look over here into the Layers column, you will see that this is a basic cut, and that's what I want because we're going to be using vinyl, okay? So I'm going to go out from size. There's a little lock. I'm going to unlock it, and I want this to be 12.0 wide by 12.0 in height, okay? And that's going to fit really great on this farmhouse blank shiplap that I found at Walmart, and it was like, I think $10. I couldn't believe it when I saw it, okay? Now, if you go up here, it's this little eye, you click on it, it says image is too large. Okay, so we'll do 11.5. Okay, I'm going to unlock it, and I'll just change it to 11.5 in the width, and probably just 11.5 in the height, and lock that back. I think that would be plenty big enough. Okay, now we're going to go to make it. Right top corner. Okay, you do not want to mirror this because we're going to be using transfer paper, okay? Transfer tape, I mean. All right, so we're going to go to continue. Right bottom corner, my Cricut is connecting to my computer, and I picked up my vinyl at Walmart as well. It was only like $5 and something. I'm going to start getting it there. I have the Cricut Premium Vinyl, okay? So I'm going to click on Premium Vinyl. I'm going to leave my pressure alone. And the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this adorable sign. Okay, here is this beautiful plank wood that I picked up at Walmart for $10 and something. I love it. It says shiplap plank, and you can see what all you can do with it. And it's 15.75 by 15.75 for $10. I thought that was great. Okay, and then here is my premium vinyl that I got at Walmart for $5 and something. It's white. I thought that would look so pretty, and this even has that little jute string, so I love that. Now what you want to do before you try to apply anything, and we haven't cut our image out yet, but I'm just going to put some rubbing alcohol on here and just wipe this like this. But be careful that it doesn't pick up the lint. And you can see how kind of dirty it is. And it'll dry really quickly. Okay, I just have my light grip mat, and I'm going to be putting this right down here. Okay, I'm going to insert with the blinking arrow, and then it's going to cut with the blinking C. This should be really cute. You could give this as a gift if you wanted. There's so much you could do with it.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Okay, this part is done. Okay, so I'm going to cut off this bottom. Okay, now we're going to weed this. And to weed it, you just pull away everything that you do not want.
Heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Okay, I'm going to bend this over and peel it off this way. Now that I have that part weeded, and I'm going to get my transfer tape. This is what we have. I don't think, well, you might be able to see a little bit of it. Okay, then we'll just apply it with our little scraper.
I just wanna love you.
I'll turn it upside down. I think sometimes it works so much better if you do this. Okay, now we're just going to put this where we think that we want it.
I just want you, I just need you. I know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till you grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
And that's what we're getting so far. I think that is so cute. Okay, now we're going to cut out our smaller little pieces. All right, we'll insert it and then cut. Okay, this is what we have so far. We'll take a look at it in just a minute. Well, here this is. I think this is beyond precious. And it hangs with this little jute string, and I just put a bow on top, hot glued it on there. But look at that, how beautiful that is. This is such a simple little project to make. You could give it as a gift, you could sell it. The possibilities are endless. So I hope you got something out of this video. I wanted to make something farmhouse, cute, and really simple for those of you who are new to the Cricut. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a DIY. Until next time, bye guys.